I'm currently staring at my suitcase, and it looks like I'm packing for 3 different planets. I've got a swimsuit next to a heavy raincoat. There's a wide-brimmed sun hat for when the sun decides to go all in. But right next to it is a wool sweater for that unexpected mountain breeze. You might think I'm indecisive, but the truth is simpler. It's spring in Mexico, and you never really know which version of paradise you're going to get. Welcome to Open Mexico. If you want to know exactly what to pack and where to head during this unforgettable season, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Spring here is the ultimate bridge season. Spanning March, April, and May, it sits right between the bone-dry winter and the tropical summer rains. For many, this is the sweet spot. The skies are crystal clear, and the landscapes are still lush and vibrant before the intense summer heat turns the vegetation yellow. In March, the Yucatan Peninsula is at its peak. Temperatures hover around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius. The sea is like bath water, and rain is a rarity. It's effortless beach weather. If you're heading to ruins like Chichen Itza or Coba, go early. The jungle air is still fresh before the midday sun claims the territory. By April, the peninsula starts to sizzle. Walking those jungle paths toward hidden temples feels a bit more like a real adventure, and the cenotes, those cold limestone sinkholes, become the absolute highlight of the day. There is nothing quite like dropping into an underground pool after a hot morning at a Mayan city. In May, the heat grows teeth. Midday sun demands a slower rhythm. This is the time for sunrise excursions, followed by long afternoons on boat tours or retreating to the deep shade of a beach bar. Now, let's move inland to the high plateau. Mexico City sits at over 2,000 meters, and spring here will surprise you. It's nothing like the coast. March days are comfortably warm, but as soon as the sun drops, you'll be reaching for that sweater I mentioned earlier. This is peak season for walking neighborhoods like Roma or Condesa. By April, the city turns purple as the jacaranda trees bloom in every park. In May, you'll see the first afternoon showers. They are usually brief, but they leave the air crisp, and the sun sets over the valley looking like a painting. Over on the Pacific side, Puerto Vallarta and Puerto Escondido hit beach temperatures early. March is already bright and sunny. April brings those long, golden coastal evenings where the ocean stays warm well past sunset. Surfers love this window. The swells are consistent and the horizon stays clear. By May, the Pacific coast gets heavy and humid. Follow the local lead, stay active on the water in the morning, and dedicate the hottest hours to a long siesta in a hammock. Further south in Oaxaca, spring begins warm and dry. March is perfect for the colonial streets or the heights of Monte Alban. While May gets hot, the surrounding mountains usually send a refreshing breeze down into the valley by dusk, reminding you that Oaxaca is as much about mountain magic as it is about the food. Baja is a different world, a desert kingdom between 2 seas. Spring here is arguably the most comfortable in the country. March offers mild days and crisp nights, ideal for whale watching. By May, the sun is intense, but the dry desert air makes the heat much easier to handle than the tropical south. Then there's Chiapas. Deep in the rainforest, places like Palenque become a steaming, living entity by May. It's loud, it's humid, and it's beautiful. Early morning visits to the ruins are a must if you want to beat the sauna effect of the jungle. The beauty of Mexico in the spring is that every region tells a different story. Just remember, the sun here is stronger than it looks. Bring the sunscreen, keep the umbrella handy, and embrace the variety. This video was made with Discover Maya, your local experts for seamless Mexican travel. Whatever the weather, we'll make sure your trip is legendary. Check the description below for the active link to the website. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next journey with Open Mexico.